Hey digital marketers, Dr. G here, and this is the big one, your final campaign proposal project. This is where you're going to pull everything together you've built throughout the class, and it will be something truly impressive. It's professional, creative, and just might become your next favorite portfolio piece. For the project, you're going to be acting as a digital marketing consultant. You're going to build a real campaign and creative assets and a portfolio for a real business. It'll be polished, client-facing, and totally built around actual business goals. In other words, this is not just for a grade. This is for something you can show off. You might be wondering why this project is such a big deal. Because it pulls everything together you've learned. Strategy, creativity, and execution. You're going to walk away with a real world marketing skills and a portfolio piece that can show off your potential. It's like your final boss level in the best way possible. Let's talk about choosing a client. Pick a small, local, or regional businesses. You are not allowed to do a chain or a big brand. Choose someone who actually needs your help and aligns with your interests. Better yet, reach out to them and ask them, is there any particular campaign that they would like to use to promote their business? I know what you're thinking. Oh no, it's another group project. Well, this project is a team effort because marketing is a team sport. So complete your project charter, align roles based on your strengths, and designate someone to upload the final work and someone to polish it with a final edit. So your proposal should sound like one voice. Make sure that there isn't any disconnection between the writers and set a clear communication plan with one another, whether it's meetings, tasks, deadlines, all of it. You are going to be thankful if you do this early. From audience segmentation to messaging and analytics, this is where you put it all into action. Each piece plays a role in your campaign, and you've already built a lot of these components through your other assignments. You're not starting from scratch, you're connecting the dots with intention and clarity. What does this all mean in terms of deliverables? You should submit a polished written proposal, a creative portfolio, and complete a quick peer evaluation of your teammates. I have a clear no freeloader policy, so you're going to have an opportunity to deduct points from your other team members if they are not participating. Make it clean, professional, and client ready because that's the difference and the level that we're aiming for and future employers will be aiming for. Here is the blueprint for your proposal. Start with the business problem, build on personas, map out your messaging, and layer in the SEO, paid media, and measurement. But don't worry, you've already got the framework. I'll be here to guide you through it, and much of this will have already been done in your building block assignments, whether they're individual or personal or group. You are going to create real assets for this campaign. You're going to create short form video, social posts, a blog or a vlog, emails, and even a traditional piece like a flyer or an event or a pop-up. So you're going to be able to practice your skills. Now, you don't have to be a professional designer to do this. I will give you tools like Canva or CapCut for you to be able to practice. But I want you to put as much effort into this because, again, this is part of your portfolio. For this assignment, you've got $5,000 to spend. I want to see how you'd allocate it across platforms, productions, and partnerships. Be specific. And yes, you should include a clear chart showing exactly where the money is going and why it supports your overall strategy. What does this mean in terms of your grade? You'll earn up to 100 points for your proposal, and 20 additional points for your peer evaluation, and that is of your team members and their contributions. The rubrics are in Canvas, so use them. And aim high, work hard, and let your creativity take shape. You might be wondering where you start with this big project. Well, first of all, you're going to choose your client, define the business challenge, start selecting some of those personas, and draft your SMART goals. This is the foundation set for the tone that everything else will follow. I want you to be real with yourself. This is a significant project and it will take time. Don't leave it until the last week. Break it down, map it out, and start building as you go. Develop some creative assets alongside of your assignments and activities that you're doing throughout the course. Even keep your messaging tight and ask for feedback early. That's how great things happen. And don't forget, I'm here for you. If you're stuck, unsure, or even need a sounding board, reach out. The earlier, the better. You've got this. Now go on and build something awesome.